Hello guys, today we are going to play the best multiplayer car racing game with amazing graphics. So let's go. Guys, in this game you can play multiplayer and story mode. So let's go. Guys, look at the graphics, it's amazing. Guys, this game is available in Playstore.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, guys, I did a nice drift there. Oh, guys, this is the best game ever. Let's go. Oh, here is the next race.
Let's go.
Guys, I like this graphics. Look at this game, so amazing graphics. Nice. Oh yeah. Guys, in this game you can play multiplayer and story mode. Oh, it's so nice. Yo, you see a nice drift. That was so nice. The game is good. Guys, I like this graphics. Look at this game, so amazing graphics. Oh, it's so nice. That was so nice. Yo, you see a nice drift. Nice. Oh, here is the next race. So let's go. Oh, guys, this is the best game ever. So let's go. Guys, I like this graphics. Guys, look at the graphics. It's amazing. Be a nice drift. Nice. Oh, here is the next race. Subscribe for more.